Carla. How are you today? I hope that you are so great, and let's start working. The first activity is to listen and repeat the new keywords of this day. After that, you have to write a short story using them. Ceremony. Ceremony means a formal ritual. Example, the ceremony was so fantastic. Train. Train means teach. Example, the train was good. Championship. Championship means competition. I will have a championship. The second activity is to take your Uno ebook and you will open it on pages 86 and 87. So now you have to read again Go Sandy reading, and you have to choose, you have to circle the best answer. In exercise number 2, you will answer the questions about the reading. In number 3, you have to complete the chart with information about the reading. In number 4, you have to think about how the narrator was feeling and you have to answer the questions. The last activity is to go to Forum 5 and answer the following question. What sport would you like to train? So that's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good day. Enjoy your day.